Hi guys, it's KJ Beauty and welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I achieved this half up half down ponytail using crochet hair only. Yes, you heard that right, using crochet hair only, and it's pretty simple and easy. So I'm gonna start out with her hair pre-stretched, and as you can see, her hair is natural, so I just pre-blow dried it. So the way that I'm parting the hair, I'm gonna have the front part just a little bit smaller than the back part. So for the back, I'm gonna go ahead and plait the hair into 5 cornrows. I mean, you can do it smaller depending on how thick you want the hair, how voluminous you want the hair. But she only had 2 packs, so I worked with the 2 packs that she had. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cornrow the hair. I'm gonna be using the Freestress hair in the style Night Naugara, I think, and I'm gonna be using the color 2, and I'm gonna go ahead and crochet the hair into the cornrow. And again, she only had 2 packs, so that's why I wanted it to be fuller, but she only had 2 packs, so I tried to work with that. But of course, you can always add more hair to have a more fuller look. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cornrow that all over the hair, and I am looping this hair 3 times. Kind of have that natural texture to it, so it's not too silky. So this hair is pretty nice. It kind of look like, you know, it's weave, not crochet hair, so nobody could tell that it was crochet hair. So yeah, you can definitely achieve the same look with a crochet hair as you would with weave. So for the ponytail, I'm gonna go ahead and plait her hair down with some extension hair, and then I'm gonna go ahead with the crochet hair and I'm gonna apply that to the plaited hair. I'm gonna make sure that it is completely covered, as it is the perfect hack to achieve the perfect ponytail without using weave, only crochet hair, and it saves you money. hope you guys like it. If you have any questions, just leave it down in the comment section below, and also leave a comment. I always love to read all your comments, and tell me what you think about this style. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to the beauty gang. And if you're new, you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell so you won't miss any of my notifications. I am posting every week, so you should expect a video from me every week, because I am trying to post a new hairstyle, something new every week on this channel. And I will see you beautiful people on my next video. Bye.